please pause the video. Only a small percentage of you subscribe to my channel. Subscribing to my channel really helps me out. And while you're at it, smash that like button. Now let's get on with the show. Welcome back to Scale Model Kit Review, and welcome back to another model kit review. As promised, I bring you the Meng Dune Spice Harvester kit number MMS 013, part of the Legendary series. This is what we would call Meca scale. The box here is a little bit larger. The kit appears to be a little larger than the Ornithopters that I reviewed previously. I previously reviewed Harkonnen and Atreides Ornithopters, and you can find that video in the link down below. Also, great news for the Ornithopters. The Atreides Ornithopter is going to be available by Meng in 1/72 scale here real soon. Also, a 1/12 scale figure of Paul Atreides is also going to be available in a deluxe version and a regular version. So I'm happy to hear that, and I'm sure they're going to release more in the coming months dealing with this Dune series, especially Dune 2. This is all dealing with Dune Part 1 and Dune 2. I'm sure they're going to give us more. But anyway, let's look at the box art here. You can see there's some renderings of the kit on the side, and the instructions are on the back. Let's get a closer look at the instructions. Step 1 just shows putting the body halves together, adding the details to it, the tracks and such. Step 2, continuing on with that. So there's quite a few parts in this Meca scale, and it looks pretty cool. The other side, and finally, let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside the box. There you go. Once again, we have almost like an olive drab, dark olive drab color how-to pamphlet, and looks like we have some water slide decals inside there too. Let me take these out and we'll get a closer look at all the parts. There you go. A couple of parts that came free. Once again, I don't know if they did that, makes it easier to fit inside the box. Here's the water slide decals and that. Let's get a look at this first tree. And of course, these kits are designed to snap together, but you could glue them together if you wanted to. Not much detail on that side. Let's get a closer view. And closer view of the tracks themselves. Very detailed there. And these set of tracks are looped a little bit, curved. Side view there, not much detail on the side. The next set of parts. There's that side. Close-up view of the vacuum mechanisms to bring up the spice, it looks like, the underside. The top side. The bogies for the tracks. And the next tree. One of the parts did fall off the tree. That's this one right here. Turn this over. Not much detail on that side. Get a closer view. And I am super close to this. Very fine detail there. Very cool. And the next part has a lot of detail, even on the side. Utilized slide molding technology. You can see that. Again. And the last part here. And a super close-up of the water slide decals. And the last tree, which is the main body of the harvester. Go ahead and show you the other side. Nothing to see there. And nothing to see there. Let's get a closer view. And this would be the underside. And the top side. Lots of detail there. And that completes all the parts. And there you go. That was a detailed review of the Meng Dune Spice Harvester MMS 013. Mecha size, as we call it, these smaller kits for those who don't have the space to display larger kits, which is pretty common in Japan. But anyway, very thankful that Meng's given us the Paul Atreides kit in 1/12 scale and the 1/72 scale Ornithopter, and I look forward to both of those kits coming out. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and smash that like button. Happy modeling, everybody, and take care.